Welcome to SpiceCandies. I have here a mix of candy to be made. This is going to be a nice video. I think you guys will like it, and a nice recipe as well, of course. But as I was thinking of ending the 101 series, it occurred to me I forgot one very crucial thing about candies. And that is sort of a disclaimer, but also a warning. If you're a kid, if you're under 18, if you don't know how to handle hot things, please use an adult supervision. And the reason for this adult supervision is very, very simple. Burns. This candy heats up to roughly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or more, and it can reach something like 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. Now there's two problems with that. One, it's really, really hot. If you get a drop on your skin, it's a third-degree burn. There is no buts about it. So the first thing to do, if you get burnt, if you get dripped by, first thing to do is get to the tap and pour plenty of tap water to cool it off as quick as possible. I cannot emphasize this enough. This is extremely dangerous. Now, that being said, if you work carefully, slowly, don't rush it. Hold the handle when you're working. Make sure you mix and hold the handle at the same time. Use both your hands to do this operation. Make sure you control the pot at all times. You're going to be just fine. You're going to get wonderful candies. Just work safely. The reason why this is so dangerous is because it's both sticky and super hot. So please be aware of that. If you think you're not sure about what you're doing in the kitchen, if you're not sure how to pour things, if things are too heavy for you, ask for help. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with asking for help, but do not do that alone if you're not sure. You can absolutely, without any doubts, get over it. Handle the pot, handle the situation, pour the candies very, very safely onto parchment paper without any spills whatsoever. You do not want to mess with this stuff. It's extremely hot. Hot and sticky. You can't rub it off. You can just burn other patches of your skin. Remember, only one cure: tap water and plenty of it. After that, you'll need medical assistance, obviously. I do recommend lots of ice water. So, basic procedures: be careful, work slowly, and have fun with candies, guys. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.